How to appear offline on WhatsApp. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to appear offline on WhatsApp. So let's just jump right in. First thing first, you need to go ahead and open up your WhatsApp application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and find settings menu by tapping over to the top right corner. And then from here, you need to tap on settings. Once you open up your settings, you want to find your privacy settings right below account. Tap on it, and then from here you can find the last seen and online status. Tap on that, and as you can see here, the first one is who can see my last seen. Now make sure that this is selected to nobody down below right here, and after you've done that, you can change your online status to same as last seen. If it's selected to everyone, everyone on WhatsApp will be able to see when you are online. So I'll just select it as last seen so that nobody will be able to see me when I'm online. And that's how you can appear offline on WhatsApp. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.